Hey Chris, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you speaking with me on the phone earlier. As I said earlier, I just wanted to shoot this video over to you, just kind of showing you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence. This video is completely educational and informational purposes only. And whatever you do, with this information is completely up to you. But you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you. And if I'm completely honest with you, or I should say a lot of business owners, including owners of plumbing companies, are just way too busy to really I guess grasp the concept how the internet or that the internet can bring them more of that business, right? And in the end, that's exactly what we want for everybody, right? It's just to gain more business, essentially putting more money into your pocket, things like that. So first and foremost, is I was just kind of going through your website here. I did appreciate the time that it took to actually build a website like this. I know it wasn't easy, but whoever did it to you did a swell job. And also. I was just kind of scoping around. I was clicking a few things here and there, just kind of seeing, what worked and what didn't. I didn't find anything really wrong with it. The only thing is that Google cares about more than anything else is content, right? And then the keywords associated in the content. And content is just any of the words that are on your page that are saved behind these pictures, things like that. So if I were to highlight all of your content here, including the pictures and everything. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and copy it. Here, let's try this one more time. All right, so I'm going to copy all of your content. Just make sure I'm getting everything, and we're going to copy it, and then we're going to go to my word counter over here, and we're going to see how many words you have, right? So a really authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 websites, and 2,000 words. And according to your homepage here, you have about 263 words, okay? And as I said, if you just wanted to bump that up, even if you wanted to bump it over the 1,000 word count, you could definitely do that, right? So, or I would highly recommend that you do that to just go ahead and put it over that 1,000 word count. It would help with visibility. It would help with having or helping with Google being able to find you a lot easier, especially for what you do, right? I know plumbing isn't easy, and sometimes getting these people to call you isn't easy as well. So the second tip I have for you is backlinks. Okay, so I went on ahead and typed in your URL, your website, into my tool here. Now this is a paid tool, but you could definitely use any free tools out there that so that you can see exactly what I'm seeing here. All you'd have to do is just type in like keyword researcher for free or a backlink checker for free, things like that, and so some of those tools out there can help you see exactly what I'm seeing. Now, what Ahrefs does, considering it is a paid tool, I mean, I am in the industry, but what Ahrefs does is kind of pulls back the curtain and kind of shows me some statistics and analytics that are going on in the background of your website. Okay. Now, there are three things, obviously, I should have told you that we were going to talk about, right? So the first one was content. This second one we're going to talk about is backlinks, okay? Now, according to my tool here, it says that you have 31 referring domains, okay? Now, what that means is just that there's 31 other websites that are linking to you. And the backlinks, it just means how many times they're linking to you. Okay, so they're doing so 229 times. So out of the 31 websites that are linking to you, you have 29. They're doing so 229 times. Okay, it's bringing you a total of $91 in traffic value. You have roughly about 10 people visiting your website per month. Okay. Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing for your competitors. The top competitors there in Bradenton and in Sarasota. So. I see here that it's Armstrong Brothers Plumbing. Now they have 162 referring domains, meaning they have 162 websites linking to them, and they're doing so 547 times. Now I know it seems like they have a lot, but if in all honesty, it really goes down to quality of backlinks. More than quantity, okay? Even though they have a lot of backlinks, it doesn't mean that a lot of these are quality backlinks, and that's kind of what matters most, okay? Google is a popularity contest, and they want to see that there are other websites that are linking to you, that are relevant to what you do, and that they're also trusted as well. Okay, they basically vouch for you, telling Google like, hey, these guys are good at what they do, and they're trustworthy. Now they have 1,300 keywords. According to yours, you only have 31. They have 901 people on average per month visiting their website, okay, bringing them a total of 11,800 in traffic value. Now, that is a lot compared to your 91. So what that tells me is that there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table for your competitors to take, okay, by not taking these tips seriously, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today are citations, okay? Now, citations are anywhere that you can find your business in a directory, okay? Now, a directory is, for example, a directory is like Angie's List, right? It's right here, Angie's List. You've got Yelp, you've got Yellow Pages, White Pages. Let's see what else. You've got Home Advisor, places like that. Those are all a list of directories. Okay, if you were to go on ahead and type in your business name, your address, your phone number into those directories, it would increase your citation list, right? And that's how you get up here in this map pack. So citations, remember, that is how you get up here in this map pack, okay? Now, if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I don't usually go all the way down here to the 3rd or 4th page of Google trying to find what I'm looking for. I usually just trust right here, okay? And they usually do a good job at answering my questions. So, the 3 things that we spoke about today are content. Okay, just increasing that word count. You had about 262 words, increasing that word count to over 1,000, and using relevant keywords according to your niche and your area. Okay, that's a big tip right there. So, just like up here, as I typed in plumbers, Bradenton, Florida. Okay, you'd want to do plumbing services, Bradenton, Florida, plumbers in Bradenton, Florida, things like that. Those are just examples of keywords that you can use on your website, okay? And then secondly, backlinks, ensuring that you have quality backlinks. If they're good enough to rank your competitors, like these guys here, if these backlinks and referring domains are good enough to rank your competitors, to get them to number 1, well, then they're good enough to rank you, right? So I would go on ahead and do the research and see exactly where they're getting their backlinks from, and you can use them as your own as well. And then citations, doing the exact same thing. Ben Franklin and Bros Plumbing, you would definitely want to do your research and seeing what citations they're using, what directories they're putting their business on, and then you would take this number one spot here, and this is where most of the money goes, right? So I would definitely get a jump on that quick. If you're looking to outsource any help, you could definitely reach out to me. I know a thing or two about this whole thing. I know it's super hard, kind of wondering who's an expert and who's not. But if you wanted to reach out to me, you could definitely message me or send me an email, and I can see what I could do to help you. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time, Chris. You have a wonderful day.